What's up, Mopar fam? I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. So today we're going to add another small modification on Frostbite, and it's something that I've been wanting to do for a little while, and that is a tailgate net. I picked up a ProNet off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description of this video, but it's nothing, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. It's just a regular tailgate net. And we're going to install it. Race season is pretty much here, so we're going to be taking the tailgate off a lot, and this will make the truck look nice with the tailgate off. And honestly, I've always been a fan of the look of a tailgate net. There's lots of theories out there that it helps gas mileage and all that kind of stuff. I'm not going to go into an argument with if it works, if it helps, if it doesn't. Honestly, I could care less if it does or doesn't. I just personally like the look of the tailgate net. It just kind of looks, like a muscle truck or something like that. It's just always been a good look that I've liked. So we're going to put a tailgate net on Frostbite, and it does let you retain the tailgate as well. So you can have the net on and still put the tailgate on and run both at the same time, or you can remove the net very easily. It's up to you, but super simple install, less than $50 modification, and it's gonna look badass. Also guys, don't forget to check out the merch store. The link is in the description. I have tons and tons of shirts and hoodies with different designs, so definitely go check out the merch store, see if you find something you like. Got designs on there for cars and trucks and Hemi designs, so go check it out. Alright, so this is basically all it is, guys. This is the tailgate net, and they got them in different colors and designs. I ended up getting just a black one. ProNet, they got them in white, blue, red, I believe yellow. They even have an American flag version. The whole thing looks like American flag. Pretty cool. This is the hardware that they supply you with. Is some stainless steel hardware and the little brackets. These little brackets will be mounting up here on the bed, and that's what's going to let us strap the net down. And I will say they give you nuts and bolts in this kit. I'm not going to use them, as putting a nut on the inside of this bed is going to be a real pain in the ass. So what we're going to do is, I just picked up some self-tappers. They're self-drilling screws, and they're going to work really nice for what we're doing. So I'm going to get this thing going on. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the first brackets screwed on to the bed, and it looks like I got some little ones over here. What are you doing? You playing monster trucks? Monster trucks? Dump trucks? We're playing dump trucks, guys. Alright, so we got this side screwed down. Now we got to get the passenger side. Alright, there it is, guys. Completely installed. ProNet. You can still put the tailgate on and retain the tailgate and the net at the same time if you want. Super easy to install. I put this thing on in 20 minutes. No lie. Probably the easiest thing I've put on Frostbite yet. Go over here to where I put the little bracket tabs. Just a screw holding each one. And we're going to tie up the slack here and the straps in a little while. There's the driver's side. Super easy. I have it cinched down pretty tight, but not completely all the way snugged up, but it's pretty tight, guys. Looks pretty good. I really like it. So there you go, guys. ProNet installed. Looks good, nice and tight. I'm really liking it. So during race season, we'll definitely be running the net, as it weighs a ton less than the tailgate and still gives the bed, you know, something to look at besides wide open. Plus, if we want to put something in the bed, we can at least have some sort of a backup if something decides to try to come out the back of it. But yeah, under 50 bucks on Amazon. The link is in the description of the video if you're interested in it. Super easy to put on, less than 20 minutes. Very, very, very limited tools needed. A drill and a impact gun or screwdriver or something like that, and you can get this thing installed super simple by yourself. I think that's going to do it for the video today, guys. As always, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.